Hi viewers! Welcome to our channel. In this video, let us look at very interesting e-learning course creation software, Articulate Storyline 360. Let's see how to create a new simple project. When you open the software, you can see this window. Please click the New Project button to create a new project. This is the story view. In this screen you can see full overview of the project. In the header you can see File, Home, Insert, Slides, Design, Transitions, Animation, View and Help options. In the right side of the screen, you can see Triggers and Slide properties. Just double-click this window to enter the Slides view. Now you click the Design tab. Then click the slide size icon to set the required screen size of your project. Now, you go to Insert tab. In this tab you can add shapes, images, text, characters and more things. Now we will create one rectangle shape start button. Follow these steps. Then you need to add trigger for this start button. Trigger action is jump to next slide when user clicks start button. Now you need to add one more slide to follow these steps. Then click the preview option to play the full project. In preview mode we have two slides. When user clicks start button, it will jump into next slide. This is simple start screen of the project. In this video we seen how create a new simple start screen. In the next video we will see other options. Thank you all.